Many larger fridge freezers with double doors like this one here, sometimes called American style fridge freezers, have a water dispenser on the outside. However, that water dispenser has a filter on the inside that needs to regularly be replaced. Let me quickly show you how. Hiya, Bryn here. So this is what a water filter looks like for this model of fridge. It lives inside the machine and filters out any rust, sediment and chemicals from your drinking water, therefore improving its taste and odour. However, they don't last forever and do eventually need to be replaced. It's recommended you replace your water filter every 6 months. Now, a telltale sign that your filter does need to be changed is if your water pressure drops when pouring, or if there's a noticeable change in the taste of your water. So if your water pressure has dropped to a dribble, or your water tastes bad, it's time to change your filter. Now remember, you can't just use any filter as a replacement, you need the specific one for the specific model of your fridge. For Hotpoint fridges, visit hotpointservice.co.uk, click Parts, then enter your fridge model number where you'll find the right filter. For most fridges, you'll find the model number on a sticker at the back somewhere near the bottom. So the first thing you need to do is remove the existing filter, which on this model is behind this nice little door. Turn it anti-clockwise and slide it out. Then you need to remove this cap, which just slides off. Next thing to do is take your replacement filter. It's got this handy arrow to tell you which way up it needs to go, but there's also a little nodule on the end too. Place the cap back on, lock it into place, then push the filter back in where it came from, turn it clockwise, and there you go. Now, on some older models of fridge, you might find the filter is on the outside, but the process for replacing it is pretty much the same. So there you go, a nice, easy one. To order any replacement filters for your Hotpoint fridge or to book your local engineer, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.